Write the question. The general form of a linear equation, right? Not graph book. It is in notebook. Graph later we'll do now. Okay. Graph we did many graph. Right. The general form of a linear equation two variable. The general form of linear equation two variable is dash. The general form of a linear equation. The general form of a linear equation. The general form of a linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay, and A comma B not equal to 0. Okay, this is all important part. Listen, the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers. A comma B not equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay? This is the first question. Next one, right? Is 0x plus 0y plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation. Is a linear equation. Okay, listen. Is 0x plus 0y plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation. Is it a linear equation? Is it a linear equation or not? Yes or no? Akshaya, how it is a linear equation? What is the standard form? Like just now, it is still on the board. Look, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A comma b both cannot be 0. A and b both cannot be 0. So what here? A 0, b 0. Look at here. If it is like this, listen. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. If this is 0, this is 0, that means we will get what? 4 equal to 0. 4 equal to 0 is possible. 4 equal to 0 is possible. No, because 4 is a constant. Correct or no? That means, listen here, the standard form, look, the general form of a linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. A and b, a comma b both cannot be 0. A can be 0 like this. 3x plus 4 equal to 0, no issue. 4y plus 2 equal to 0, no issue. This is linear equation. This is linear equation. Only thing, both cannot be 0. Clear now? Like this, 0x plus 0y plus c. This is not a linear equation. Clear or not? Are you okay or not? Hello? It's clear now? Both cannot be 0. A can be 0, no problem. B can be 0, no problem. A and B both cannot be 0. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay. In one day cricket match, A and B score. A and B. First batsman A, second one B. A and B score 198 runs. 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 198 runs. A and B score 198 runs. Okay. Express this is a linear equation, two variable. Express this a linear equation, two variable. Express this a linear equation in two variable. Express this a linear equation in two variable. Okay, right. We can assume that A x runs, B y runs. X plus y how much? Okay. X plus y equal to 198. Correct or no? X plus y, you write like this: A score x, b, y. So x plus y equal to 198. Next one, right? Total number of legs. Total number of legs in a herd of goats. In a herd of goats. Total, right? Total number of. Next question. Total number of legs. LEGS. In a herd of goats, GOATS, and hence 40, and hence 40 goats, and hence 40. Represent this in the form of a linear equation. Represent this in the form of a linear equation, two variable. Represent this in the form of a linear equation in two variable. What? Total number of legs. Total number of legs in a herd of goats, GOATS, and hence 40. Represent this in the form of linear equation, two variable. Okay. Make an equation. No. Sairam. Sairam, look at here. You made a big mistake. Gods, how many legs? According to you, only one only. Okay, gods, how many? Hence 2. Correct or no? So you can assume gods, x number of gods, hen y number, gods 4 legs. Correct or no? So 4x plus hen 2y equal to 40, like this. 4x plus 2y equal to 40. Clear now? Sairam, clear or not? Okay. Sham. We assume that number of gods equal to x, number of hen equal to y. Gods 4 legs. Sure, no? Okay. And hen 2 legs. So y. So 4x plus 2y equal to 40. Okay. Okay, so clear now. Up to here, okay? Hello, come on. You guys all okay or not? Hello. Sham. Okay, so next question. If x represent the present age of father, if X represent the present age of father, if X represent the present age of father, X represent the present age of father, and Y represent the present age of son. Y represent the present age of father. Okay. Sorry, X represent present age of father, Y represent present age of son. Then the statement present age of father, present age of father, present age of father, present age of father is 5 more than 6 times the age of son. 5 more than the present age of father is 5 more than 6 times the age of son. Okay, make the equation. The present age of father is 5 more than 6 times the age of son. Okay, make it. Present, no, you can assume present age of father X. Okay, son Y, like that. Okay, present age of father is X, son Y. Okay, as for the question, present age of father X equal to what? 5 more than 5 plus, correct? 6 times the age of son, 6Y. So that means X minus 6Y equal to 5. X minus 6Y equal to 5. Are you getting or not? Okay, so next question. What is the hard, Sam? Look at here. We assume that present age of father X, son is Y. Then present age of father equal to what? 5 more than 6 times of son. Father equal to 5 more than 5 plus 6 times of son. Okay, so 6Y coming here. X minus 6Y equal to 5. Finish. Clear now? Next. Right. Does the following equation x equal to 5y, x equal to 5y, does the following equation x equal to 5y represent a straight line passing through 0 0, passing through 0 0, passing through 0 0. Okay, what the question? Does the following, this is just one more question, does the following MCQ question, does the following x equal to y, x equal to 5y passing through 0 0? I'll give a dummy question. Look at here. Suppose x plus y equal to 10. Listen here. Before answering, this is a dummy question. X plus y equal to 10. My question, 2, 8, is it passing through this line? 2, 8, is it passing through this line? 2, 8, is it passing through this line? Yes, because 2 plus 8 is 10. Another question, 3, 7, passing through this equation? 3, 7, is it passing? Sham, my question, 6, 4, passing through this equation? Hello, 6 comma 4 is it passing through x plus y equal to 10? What, you don't know, man? The previous one they checked now. Your friends all said, okay, 6 comma, look at here, 6 comma 4. What is x here? What is x here? 6. What is y here? Okay, check here. Is it possible or not? This is the way. It's you are really prejudiced. You don't know anything like that. Only you're thinking like that. So you're not accepting that. You're not thinking like the questions. You're just saying, I cannot find out this one. That mind you have to change it first of all. You're not at all thinking. You just keep in mind, oh, I cannot find out this question like that. This way, this attitude you have to change. This is, look at here, 6 comma, you and many guys answered. I discussed 8-2. Then I discussed 7-3. Then I asked 6-4. But 6 here, 4 here, 6 plus 4. Is it a class 9 question? No. Because the problem is you have a block. You're thinking like that. Maths, you cannot follow like that. Okay, now what is the problem? You only answer no. You answer this one. 9 comma 1. Is it possible or not? Okay, what about 11 and minus 1? 11 and minus 1. Correct? What about 11 and 1? 11 and 1. No, because 11 plus 1 is not 10. Okay, now this is our dummy question. Our actual question is what? X equal to 0, 0. Is it passing through here or not? Check now. Is it possible? X equal to 0, x equal to 0, and y equal to 0. Correct or no? Is it passing, right? So that means what? X equal to 0, y equal to 0 is a point on this line. That's only. Okay. Next question. Okay. Find the point where the equation. Next question. This is a star question. Find the point where the equation. Find the point. Find the point. Find the point. Find the point where the equation. Find the point where the equation 3x plus 2y 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Find the point where this equation 3x plus 2y equal to 12 intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. You remember, I gave the note. Hello. I think in the first class I gave a note. When a line intersects the x-axis, what happened? When a line intersects the y-axis, what happened? You remember or not? Hello. Okay, Sham. Sham. You remember that? Okay, then answer it. Okay, then answer it. When a line intersects the x-axis, what happened? When a line intersects the y-axis, what happened? Then find the coordinate. Okay, do it now. Okay. Yes, when the line intersects the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. When a line intersects the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay, try now. Okay. Look at here. Look. First, equation number 1. When a line intersects the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. That means 3x plus 0 equal to 12. 3x equal to 12, x equal to 4. So coordinate is what? 4, comma 0. Second point, when a line intersects the y-axis, x is 0. 0 plus 2y equal to 12. Y equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. 6. Therefore, coordinate is what? 0, comma 6. Okay or not? Clear or not? We all got this. Okay. Next one, right? Find the point where the line. Next question, same type. Find the point where the line intersects the. Find the point where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. 2y, 2x minus y equal to 4. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. 2x minus y equal to 4. Okay. So, what will look here now? Listen. Look. Here. First point, when the line intersects the x-axis, 2x minus 0 equal to 4. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. The coordinate is 2, comma 0. Second part, when the line intersects the y-axis, 0 minus y equal to 4, equal to 4. Y equal to minus 4. So 0, comma minus 4. So all got 2, comma 0, 2, comma 0, and 0 minus 4. Okay, so next one more question, right? Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates where the line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. Find the coordinates where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So you got, look at here. Look. 3x minus 5y minus 50. Look, when the line intersects x-axis, 3x minus 0 minus 15 equal to 0. 3x equal to 15. X equal to 5. Correct or not? So 5 comma 0. Second one. 0 minus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 5y equal to 15. Y equal to minus 3. So that means 0 minus 3. Are you okay now? So clear now, right? Everyone okay? This type of question now. Okay. So now I gave you one right. Listen. What is the graph? What is the graph of x equal to 0? What is the graph of x equal to 0? What is the graph of x equal to 0? The graph of x equal to 0 is what? I gave the note. Akshaya, what? Y-axis. The graph of x equal to 0 is y-axis right now. The graph of x equal to 0 is y-axis. The graph of x equal to 0 is y-axis. The graph of x equal to 0 is y-axis. And the graph of y equal to 0, the graph of y equal to 0 is x-axis. Okay. So next question. Write an equation. This is the most important question. Okay, this one, this guy, what is the Lohi Darshan? Lohi Darshan is this batch or not? Lohi. No, not this batch, right? Other batch. Lohi Darshan, your class, once, guys. Hello. Yeah, not in this batch, right? Other batch. Okay. Right. Write an equation passing through. Write an equation passing through 2, 3. Write an equation passing through 2, 3. Write an equation passing through 2, 3. Look at here. I'll show this one. Come on. Put a star mark this one. Look. It's very simple. Look at here. We have to find an equation passing through 2, 3. Look. 2, 3. You have to form an equation passing through 2, 3. That means x equal to 2, y equal to 3. You can make any equation. Look at it. I'm just making x plus y equal to, stop. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. That means what? 5. Right? Oh, another one. X minus y. What? 2 minus 3 minus 1. Or anything. You just try to keep 2x plus y. Stop. Then think about it. 2 into 3. Sorry, 2 into 2 plus 3. 7. Okay. Or 3x minus y. Stop. 3 into 2 minus 3. So 6 minus 3. 3. So like that, we can make an infinite number of equations you can make. Can you make now? Are you okay or not? Hello? Okay, I'll ask you. You can make one by one. Okay. Alina, are you okay or not? No. Any question. Don't write this one. You make another one. Hello. I'll ask you now. Okay. Affirm. Make an equation and write here. Type. Affirm. You make an equation. Everyone to answer this question. Okay. If you you can type here. If you can type here. Find an equation. Listen, those not getting, listen here. Find an equation passing through 2, 3. Okay. Make an equation passing through 2, 3. You make any equation, like suppose I made 4x plus y equal to. Now you have to think about 4 equal to what? 4 into 2. 4 into 2 plus 3. So what? 11. Finish. This way you make an equation. Okay. Clear now? Okay, now either you have to send in WhatsApp or you can type here. Okay, first chance, affirm. Hello. Make an equation, send me first. Okay. Listen here. Akshay Ganesh. To make an equation, listen here. Hello, listen all. Hello, listen here. We have to form an equation passing through for 2, 3. You can make any equations. For example, I made it now 5x minus y equal to. But here you are thinking right. What? 5 into 2 minus 3. 10 minus 3 what? 7. Like this. Is it okay now? Okay. So Andrew, Alina, ready for all. Angelina, Ansel, Dia, Glenn, Harsha. Okay, Marsuk, Mohit, Namida, Path. Everyone ready? Send an equation. Send now. Only one enough. One enough. Sham, one enough. 5x plus 5 into 2, 10 Yeah, correct, Sham. Okay, one enough. Okay, so you can make any equations. Why you want 3 by 2x here? Why you want to make a fraction, man? You have any 3 by 2x plus y equal to 6. X equal to what? 2. X equal to, no, it is wrong. 3 by 2 into 2 plus y equal to what? 3. Okay, so why you want to make a fraction? This is correct, but why you want to make a fraction? Okay, so clear now? Okay, Ritika. Ritika, send any question. Come on. Namida, let me check. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 3. Yeah, correct. Namida, correct? Namida, correct. Okay. Okay, next Devi. Okay, let me check. Why graph book? Why writing graph paper? Why is Devi sending me in the graph paper? What is this one? Oh, she's another batch. Diya. Okay, let me check. 8x plus 5y equals 31. 8x, 8 into 2, 16 plus, yeah, 31. Diya, correct. Okay. Sri. Raj, okay. 10x plus 10 into 20 plus, yeah, 29. Correct. Okay, correct. Okay. Next, guys. Hello, send fast. Yenda. Yeah, 17. No, don't write. Listen. Even you write like this: 7x plus y equal to 17. Like that, right? Okay. Equation you right. 7x plus y equal to 17. That one we checking only. Don't write that one. Okay. 12x minus y. 12 into 24. 24 minus 3. Yes, correct. Next. Okay, you write, Ritika, you write like this: 6x plus y equal to 15. Don't show the checking. Understood? No, don't show. You wrote 6, Ritika, 6x plus y equal to 15. That only I want to see. That is the behind the screen. Understood? No. Because just like an anesthetist, that is behind the screen. Surgeon only in front of the patient and all. Okay, like that here. 6 into 2 plus 3. Don't show here. Okay. Okay, next, guys. So now clear now, Angelina. 3x plus, okay. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into, yeah, correct. Okay. Next, come on first. 3, okay, correct, okay. Akshaya, okay, let me check. 4 into 2, 6, 6 minus 4x, no, this is 4x, right? 4x minus 3y, let me check. 8 minus 9, okay, minus 1, correct, okay. Akshay, okay, the next guys. Sridarshini, graph now, right? Okay, now finish. Saira. 7x minus 7 into 14. Okay, correct. I hope now understood how to find the equation, right? So that means how many equations you can make it? We can make infinitely many equations you can make it. Okay, Sam, understood or not? So next question, right? If the point, next question. Okay, if the question, if the point, right? If the point, if the point, if the point, if the point 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 lies on the line for y equal to ax plus 5. If the point 2 comma 3 lies on the line for y equal to ax plus 5, then a, how much? Listen, 2 3 lies on here, find the value of a. You want to try? Can you try? Come on, the question is what? 2 3 is a point on this equation. Find the value of a. Okay, try now. Okay, try. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. After that, I'll check it. Okay. So what we'll do? Look at here. 4 into 3 equal to a into 2 plus 5. You replace x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So 12 equal to 2a plus 5. 5 coming here. 7 equal to 2a. A equal to 7 by 2 equal to 3.5. A equal to 3.5. We all got. Okay. Finish or not? Okay. So next question. Okay. So next question. Okay, look. Next one. If 0, 2, if 0, 2, if 0, 2, if 0, comma 2, if 0, comma 2 is a solution of the linear equation, 0, comma 2 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Find the value of k. 2x plus 3y equal to k. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay, try now. 0, comma 2 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. That means x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Okay. Okay. Got into 0 plus 3y 3 into 2 equal to k. K equal to 6. K equal to 6. Clear now? Okay, next question. Okay, write two solutions. Write two solutions of the equation. Write two solutions of the equations. 3x minus y equal to 4. Right. Right. Write three solution. Sorry. Write two solutions of the equation. 3x minus y equal to 4. 3x 3x minus y equal to 3x minus y equal to 4. 3x minus y equal to 4. Okay, find out. Write two solutions. 3x minus y equal to 4. Okay. Okay, fine. You remember how you find last class, okay? Drawing the graph, that's right, okay? Okay. So I look at here. Look, if you're not getting, listen here. This is here. Look, you remember 3x minus 4 equal to y. So y equal to 3x minus 4. So 2 enough. Okay. X, y. X equal to 0 minus 4. X equal to 1 minus 1. Correct or no? So you got like this, right? 0 minus 4, yes. Okay, 1 minus 1, correct. Okay. Sham, you got? Which are the points you got? Which are the points you got? Only y equal to 2 only? You got the table like this or not, Sham? Only you just writing y equal to 2, but you got the table like this. Hello? You got a table like this or not? You just writing y equal to 2. What y equal to 2? Come on, rest all guys finish or not? So next question, right? Right. Find 3 solutions of the equation. Find 3 solutions of the equation. Find 3 solutions of the equations. Find 3 solutions of the equation. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. Seven x minus 5y. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. Okay. Find 3 solutions. Okay. Okay. Your connection is also same like you. Okay. Sham, you got the table in the previous question table like this, you got or not? Okay. So you got x equal to 0, but you said only y equal to 2. Then try this one. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. Find three values. Okay, try first. Okay, let's finish all. Actually, wait. This DPS class started or not? Tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. Okay, okay. So ready now. So still online only now. So sit at home. So which chapter going to start? Any idea? You forgot? Maybe linear equations. Yeah, linear only. Okay. So you finish. You got it for easy. Okay. So what we'll do this one? Look at here. So here, look. 7x. Another question. Okay. 7x. Look. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. So 7x minus 35 equal to 5y. Y equal to 7x minus 35 by 5. Okay, listen. 7x minus 5y equal to 35. 7x minus 35 equal to 5y. Y equal to 7x minus 35 by 5. Okay, look. X, Y. Okay. Come on. X equal to 0. 7 into 0, 0. Minus 35 by 7, minus 7. Correct or no? X equal to 5. 70 by 35 is 0. One more. X equal to 10. 70 minus 35. 70 minus 35 by 10, then 7. Okay. We all got this. This part you did in graph. Okay. Okay. So next question. Okay, finish? Hello, you finish or not? Okay, so next question, right? Listen now. Listen, write the question. After 5 years, after 5 years, the age of father will be, the age of father will be, after 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, the age of father will be 2 times the age of his son. 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 Okay. Listen, after 5 years, after 5 years, the age of father will be, the age of father will be 2 times the age of his son. 2 times the age of his son. Write a linear equation in two variables. Write a linear equation in two variables. Once again, after 5 years, the age of father will be 2 times the age of his son. Write a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Okay, finish. After 5 years, the age of father will be 2 times the age of his son. Write the linear equation. Okay. You try first. After that, I'll explain to you. Okay. You make an equation, Dinesh. Make an equation connecting with the father and son. Getting or not? Hello, are you getting or not? Okay, look at here. Hello. Look. Come on. You can assume present age of father X years, son Y years. Listen here. Present age of father X years. Suppose present age, your present age is 14. After 5 years, how much? After 5 years, how much? Hello. 45. Come on. Sai Ram, very good answer. After 5 years, your age is 45 years. Come on. How come 45, man? You, at presently 14. After 5 years, what? Okay, look at here. So the present, this is the present. Look at here. Father, son, present. Okay, then after 5 years, X plus 5, Y plus 5. Correct or no? You make two column. Make two column. Present age, father, son. After 5 years, father and son, X plus 5, Y plus 5. Then question what? After 5 years, age of father, that means X plus 5 equal to 2 times of son, 2 times of Y plus 5. So X plus 5 equal to 2Y plus 10. So now X minus 2Y equal to 5. This is the question. X minus 2Y equal to 5. X minus 2Y equal to 5. So anybody got? Okay. So those not getting corrected now. Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not? So next question, right? Sham, okay. Okay, so next question, right? Find the value of k. 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 Find the value of k for which the point -1, 3. The point -1, 3 lies on the graph of the equation. Lies on the graph of the equation 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Okay. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the point -1, 3 lies on the graph of the equation 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Find out. Okay, what's the answer? K equal to what? 5. We're all got. K equal to 5. Ahmad, this is the question, man. 2x minus y plus k equal to 0 lies on -1, 3. You substitute x equal to -1, y equal to 3. Correct or not? So what is that? 2 into -1, 3 plus k equal to 0. -2 minus 3 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to 5. It's going that side. Okay. So next question, right? X equal to 2, right? X equal to 2. Listen, Ahmed, your school when starting? Oh, today started. Which chapter now? Why didn't inform me? Because we are all every day I'm asking the class updates and all. Okay, when surface area and volume. Oh, cool. We did that all. Correct or no? Right? So you did. Okay, so what the plan? School regular classes? Any idea? They said. I know that, Asma. When you will start regular classes? I'm talking about, not online. October. I don't think October means September. I don't think after this, maybe December, because ministry not allowed. But still cases here now. Today also 700 cases there is. School last stage only. Yeah, correct. Yes, that is correct. January maybe start, and exam will be on as usual. Okay. Okay. So your school, anyone to come back from India? Teachers all here or in India? What about DPS? Everybody here? Okay. So next question, right? Right. Find next question. If x equal to 2, if x equal to 2, okay, right now, if x equal to 2, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the linear equation. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the linear equation. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the linear equation. 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Find the value of k. 2x, if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the linear equation. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay. Oh, Akshay, I finished. Okay. Okay, let's finish all. When are we going to start the regular class now? No partial curfew. Class cannot start here. There is no way. Ahmed. Let's start school first. Okay, you got this one, right? X equal k equal to -7, correct? K equal to minus. Next question, right? Express y in terms of, next one. Look at here. Express y in terms of, this is star question. Express y in terms of x from the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 8. 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Express y in terms of x. express y in terms of x from the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay. Check whether the point, after that, check whether the point 4 minus 2 is a solution or not. Check whether, listen, express y in terms of x, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. And check whether the point 4 minus 2 lies on the line. Lies on the line. Okay, look at here. 2y equal to 8 minus 3x. Y equal to 8 minus 3x by 2. Finish. Okay, after that, this is the finish. 2y equal to 8 minus 3x. Y equal to 8 minus 3x by 2. Now, check these points. What to do? 3 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Correct or no? So that means this point lies. Is it okay now? First express y in terms of x. How we did the graph. Then substitute the points and check it. Okay. Okay, finish. So next question, right? Express y in terms of x. Next question. Express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Express y in terms of x. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Find the point. Find the point where the line represents the equation. Find the point where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Question again. Express y in terms of x in equation 2x plus, express y in terms of x in equation 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Then find the point where this line intersects the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, try now. Okay, look at here. Look. Here 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Okay, express y in terms of x. So 2x minus 12 equal to 3y. Y equal to 2x minus 12 by 3. Okay, now question now. Second part, when the line intersects the x-axis, number 1, 2x minus 0 equal to 12. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 6. The coordinate is 6, comma 0. Second part, when the line intersects the y-axis, 2x 0 minus 3y equal to 12. Y equal to minus 4. So coordinate is 0, minus 4. Okay, so next question. Is it okay now? Right, next, one more question. The point 3 comma 4. The point 3 comma 4. The point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation. Lies on the graph of the equation. Lies on the graph of the equation. The point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation. 3y equal to ax plus 7. 3y equal to ax plus 7. 3y equal to ax plus 7. Find the value of a. The point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7. Find the value of a. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Find the value of a. Okay. Okay, A equal to 5 by 3. Okay, this is enough today. Okay. This week test linear equation. Okay. So we have one more class before the test, Wednesday. No, today is which day? Tuesday. Tuesday. Oh, no. Okay. Yes, Thursday also we'll discuss this chapter only. And graph. Okay.